Let's discuss diagnosis according to Chinya imbalances, and we continue with the third part on the topic of phlegm. Let's take a look at its etiology. Phlegm often arises when heat condenses body fluids, when spleen qi deficiency creates dampness, when there is stagnation of qi or blood that stagnates the body fluids, or when there is lack of yang to transport and transform fluids. Phlegm can also be created by the diet that a person consumes. This could be foods that weaken the spleen, create dampness or heat, or have a phlegm-producing dynamic. The symptoms and signs are as follows. Fatigue that is worse in the morning, difficulty getting going and being mentally absent in the morning, increased need for sleep, lack of appetite, especially in the morning, nausea or vomiting, heaviness in the chest, cough in the morning. The sputum can be loose or sticky depending on whether there is heat present. There will be shortness of breath, dizziness, heaviness in the head, blurred vision and dull eyes, sleep in the eyes, dark sooty color around the eyes, depression, melancholy, mental confusion, and difficulty thinking, especially in the morning, incoherent speech or talking to themselves, difficulty concentrating, skin and flesh tissue can lack tone and be doughy, the skin lacks luster, the fingers can be thick and chubby, increased growth of body hair, tendency to obesity and plumpness, symptoms and signs that are triggered or provoked by weather changes and perfume, petrol, or solvents. Symptoms that are provoked by consuming phlegm-producing foods and drinks, numbness, greasy or oily skin and hair, sticky taste or sensation in the mouth, thick saliva or saliva in the mouth, mucus in the menstrual blood, fibroids and nodules, fat nodules under the skin, deformed joints, heavy sticky odor, repeated need to clear the throat, gravelly voice, nasal voice, swollen tongue, tongue that is limp or has a flabby tone, sticky or greasy tongue coating, in a slippery or wiry pulse. The key symptoms are fatigue and mental absence in the morning, lack of appetite in the morning, sticky sensation in the mouth, symptoms and signs that are triggered or provoked by weather changes, perfume, petrol, or solvents. Treatment principle, transform and drain phlegm. For the acupuncture points, you can choose from stomach 40, stomach 36, REN 12, spleen 3, spleen 6, spleen 9, UB20, and UB21. For the needle technique, we drain stomach 40 and spleen 9 and tonify the rest of the points. Stomach 30 drains phlegm. Spleen 9 drains dampness. Spleen 3, spleen 6, stomach 36, REN 12, UB20, and UB21 tonify spleen qi and transform phlegm. The relevant advice will depend on which individual pattern have been involved in the creation of phlegm. Nevertheless, there are some general guidelines that are relevant for all individuals who present with phlegm imbalances. Diet is very important, and they should avoid foods and beverages that produce dampness and phlegm, including dairy products, bananas, sugar, things that taste sweet, such as dried fruit, honey, stevia, and so on, wheat products, fried food, and alcohol. Nuts are interesting in this context because eating too many nuts creates phlegm, but eating a small, limited amount of almonds or walnuts can transform phlegm in the lung. In general, a person with phlegm will benefit from eating food that have a slightly spicy flavor, such as watercress, radishes, turnips, daikon, garlic, pepper, herbs, etc. It is also important that they do not eat too much at a time and do not eat too late in the evening. Phlegm can be caused by spleen qi deficiency, lung qi deficiency, dampness, yang deficiency, yin deficiency, heat, cold, qi stagnation, blood stagnation, and food stagnation. In turn, it can result to heat, qi stagnation, blood stagnation, spleen qi deficiency, lung qi deficiency. Thank you for your attention.